Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a pinkish coloring for you on CapCut PC by using the new Barbie filter. So in case you didn't know, I'm going to show you how in this video. So first just add the clips that you want to edit and then go straight to filter at the top here, and you can just click on the movies category. Okay, so in here just scroll down and you'll find Barbie filter that you can use. So if you haven't downloaded, just click on the arrow down first to download the filter, and then just click on the plus icon to add it to your clips. Okay, after that the pinkish coloring will be created like this. And if you want to adjust the intensity, you're going to just slide the intensity in here. Okay, I'm going to just try for another video to make it more visible for you. I'm going to add another video here. So for example, this video is right here. With the pink filter, it will go like so. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to comment, click on a thanks, like, and also subscribe if you haven't done that. Bye.